So today I'm playing some Flood Escape 2. Let's hop right in. We're doing Dark Side Facility. I beat every map already. And I'm already failing on the very first thing. But I'm gonna die because, like, I beat this map one time. I beat every map in this game. It's just not easy, though. It's just not easy. Like, there. Like, I just fell off the side. We just walked right into insane. Still got two people. Nobody got the button there. That's sad. I need to beat it too. So let's go to control server. God, so we can do more things. Let's go. So guys, we went into our pro server. And there's the music. We'll change our settings theme. Let's go. Let's hop straight in. Spectate some people so y'all just don't have to see the lobby. Spectate this person. They must have glitched through the doors because can't get the buttons. Oh man. He's trying to get in. He's trying his hardest. I'm back, guys. Let's hop into some gloomy manor. Hopefully I don't die right away. Like I just did, I walked off the edge. So, not the best start, but that's whatever. Still got more maps. So, I'll pretend like that didn't happen or count. So we'll wait for these people to beat it. Spectate him, pretty good. He's pretty good. He's probably gonna be insane. Pretty good though. He has shift lock. For if any of y'all play Roblox and y'all don't know what shift lock is like where he must have left game. Shift lock is this map's easy. Oh, he got that. That's cool. He got the toy. He must have found a code. Shift lock is where when you're it's third person view. It's like how you move and stuff. It's pretty cool. So it's third person basically, and it's like faster. It's called the speed glitch. I'm pretty sure, but still awesome. I do grind a lot on this game, but not that much. I play Fortnite way more. We'll have some Fortnite vids coming up super soon. Just not right now. Oh, I fell down. We fell down at the same time too. Interesting. That's pretty easy. He's going to get the button. Easy map. Easy. We'll go for a swim. So that map was pretty easy. That's one of the easy, insane ones. Not hard at all. Next one is Familiar Ruins, the second easiest one. But there's that jump at the end that usually some people fall on. I don't know if I'm gonna fall, but there is that one jump. Always that one jump. Always. That's a little cheat way to get to that button to get it faster. She going for that button? Yes, she is now. They be trolling with the buttons. They like just try to wait for somebody else to come. It annoys people sometimes. I don't do it. I might have done it once or twice, like on the map called Castle Tides. It's a really easy one. But they do it, but then again, like they know sometimes they're gonna. They don't do it on insane ones a lot because they know they die easier because it goes faster. But on easy ones, they definitely do it. See, these jumps right here, there's a lot of people mess up on, but I didn't this time, so yay me. Ah! Now we're not gonna glitch out then. Only one person dies, so it's gonna remain as the same. That's the coolest skin in the game right now. It's like a secret, the hardest glitch check 2 map. I beat every map. So trust me, I've already beat this. I'm just not going to beat it on camera. I've only beat it one time and I got really lucky. Really lucky. Like I might just fall right here. Oh my god, how did I not fall? Oh my god. And like, I don't know, I guess I walked too close, but I feel like I should have made that. Like that jump. Like, once you get past that one jump that I did that I thought I was gonna die of, cause that's like the hardest jump on this map. Like once you get past that, everything else is easier. It's just that I kind of walked right off the edge. But from there, everything else is like pretty simple. Then the lava starts coming up. Like if you get in there kind of late, the lava comes up fast. So you gotta be quick and not make no mistakes. See? But I thought he was gonna beat it, man. Looks like we're going to some normals. I'll probably do a couple little more maps for y'all. And then, yeah. This one's pretty simple. Easy. Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna do some more insane. Just walking back and forth. Okay, I'm gonna go for that button. Is she got a button pro? She did it, yay. Oh, that wasn't even the person, I don't think. That did it last time. Yeet. I know somebody's gonna get it. Oh, my head's outside, that's it. So I guess survive for a little bit. Yeet. Ah, he got us both. He got us both big time. I just like this. I thought he was actually gonna do it. Easy glitch out. Yay! 20 HP in a dream, baby. 2 HP in the dream. Finally. Easy little map. Exit. Just not notice. Exit. Oh, Lost Desert. Lost Desert. This one's a pretty simple one. There's just some little thin jumps. I mean, I get past. If not, sometimes I either over jump them or I miss it by because I don't jump. I don't jump long enough. Jump too short, basically. Or I just over jump the very first one. Usually, if you're super fast like we are now, we're just going through it like this. You have time to get back up. Like I might just ace it first try instead of having to do this. Yeah, I just aced it first try. Let's see if we can, continue beating it. We'll go for this button. Oh my god, why do I keep falling? I might say, did we not get it or something? Open a sesame. Thank you. Let's not fall. Oh man, oof to my dude that's down there that just died. Man, I feel bad for him. He just died too. Like he didn't want to risk it, so he tried to stay alive for a little bit longer though. Interesting. Nike symbol, Nike gang. We'll go in here. I want to do something. I was gonna try to get up top of there. Well, Matt, I'll beat this one from redeeming from how I died last time, which was a shame. I would have died like that. Wasn't happy about it. One. Oh snap! I almost died myself. He's going to get it 100%. Yeah. Oh, he got it. He took a shortcut. I wonder if he knew he was gonna walk right past it. Oh no! Why? Like it's only possible if you have shift lock, which you can only have shift lock on a computer. This jump, like you can't get up here. You see, you just can't. So if you fall, you're dead. Basically, is what I'm trying to say. See, it's too hard. It's just too hard. I don't even think it's possible unless you have shift lock. Wow, I messed up big time. By lock to, and I think I missed it. Yeah, I did. We'll go to lock to insane with our coins. Go ahead, and then have 26 coins. This person's pretty good. He has shift lock, pretty sure. Oh, I pressed that. Wow. Guys, I'll do one more round after this because I know I'm gonna die fast. I'll do one more round after this and then I'll be ending off the video. Let's do 2 more rounds real quick for y'all guys. Oh, he fell, man. Oof, my dude. Oof, my. What up? This to say is the hardest map. So guys, after this, last round. So let's get it. Let's see if we can beat the last round for y'all guys. I haven't done sinking ship or beneath the ruins yet. I really want to do one. Oh, Lost Desert. I guess we're just not gonna do those two. Let's do this one, last one for y'all, guys. Oh, dude, we're gonna speed through this one actually. We're gonna try to act like a pro, just speed through the whole thing. We're so pro, guys. We're just gonna speed through it. Oh, come on. That was a oof. Can I get a oof in the chat for money? Let me get a oof in the chat for money, man. That sucks to be me. I wonder if I could have removed that. So, yeah, I guess we're gonna die then. And for some reason it's not letting me up here. That's sad. We thought of the same idea too. Like, I want to do this so badly. But it just doesn't work, man. Die for the last map. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe so I can get big. You know, like, please. Peace.